To offer an amendment to the lighting efficiency legislation to ensure that worker safety remains a high priority in all buildings where lighting efficiency improvements will be made. The amendment will be added to Section 705.5 of the San Francisco Environment Code, and for your reference, the amendment is located on the last page of this legislation. The amendment reads as follows, Section 6. The lighting retrofits required by this ordinance may expose the people replacing the lamp and/or ballast to dangerous levels of electricity. The Board of Supervisors strongly urges building owners and managers to take appropriate precautions to protect both the people doing the electrical work and the people in the buildings from associated risks of fire, serious injury, and/or death by having the work performed only by qualified persons. Such persons should be trained in both the technical requirements of the work involved and the decision-making process necessary to determine the nature and extent of the hazard and the personal protective equipment and job planning necessary to perform the task safely. This is language based on language that is currently used in the building code, and again, we want to ensure that any electrical work that is completed, whether in private or public buildings, is done safely and completed by individuals who are qualified for such work. The City Attorney has advised that this amendment is not substantive but will require 2 readings. I want to thank IBEW Local 6 for their work on this amendment and to make the legislation stronger. I want to acknowledge Supervisor Michaela Alioto-Peer and her office for their support in the preparation of this language, and again, Cal Broomhead from the Department of the Environment, who helped us shepherd this matter forward. And colleagues, I would appreciate your support for this amendment.
Supervisor